Well, everybody, the NFL experience behind me is being taken down here, and this work is going to last for the next 2 days, I believe. And in addition, down here, over there, we're taking down the media center. So that's it, and it's been a great experience, and the host committee's done a fine job, really have. One of the best Super Bowls ever. And I think from a host committee standpoint, the best. I really mean that. They've done a fantastic job. Really hit it out of the park, as they say. Take a look at the NFL experience being taken down here. Look at this. Okay. We'll walk across the street so you can get a better look. Watch this. Okay. Turn the camera around, Zenny. Oh boy. There we go. So that was the entrance and the 50 mile all coming down. Take a look. And as I say, folks, that's a wrap.